So I'm just leaving Daleville this morning, and we had a little climb, and now we're kind of looking over what I'm assuming is the James River, and it's pretty nice. So I thought I'd show you guys a bit of this trail, and we're gonna hit McAfee Knob later today, which would be exciting because that's kind of an iconic spot. What's up?
Nothing.
What you doing?
You filming?
Yeah.
What town are we going to?
Catawba?
At your friend's place?
That's where she's picking us up.
Yeah, but where does she live?
Bedford?
I got a cavity.
You got a cavity?
Yeah, it needs to be filled.
Uh-oh, Frankie's got a cavity. I want to climb these rocks. I miss climbing. But I don't have any more muscle in my arms because it all went down to my legs and my butt. And my arms are weak. But I want to climb. Climb, 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 climb. Climb, climb. It's the fall, folks. And it's chilly. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Overlooks don't count if it's a power line overlook. Just no. Alright guys, we are super close to McAfee Knob. We're on the knob, we just haven't seen it yet. We're in the cliffs right now, according to Gut Hook. So I think we should pop out soon. Okay, I think we're closer this time. Here should be, yes it is. Here's McAfee and Buck. Smoking, I can smell it. Look.
This is it.
This is it.
We are here. You can see everything. All that we did today, all the 20 miles worth.
Check this out.
The town, and we went all along this ridge, and then those are the Tinker Cliffs.
Yeah, and then we went all the way on that today. Yep. Nice. So this is the actual knob right here. We were a little bit ahead of it.
We are here.